There's a Chihuahua sign right there. This is the Pancho Villa Museum here. Yeah, we're out in a little courtyard here. Nicely appointed inside. Outside is kind of trashy, but inside here is pretty neat. And you've got the ceiling up here too. This is the entrance as we're coming in here. Nicely appointed walls and ceiling. And we come in here, sala de musica, the music room here. Okay. Just going to crank out some tunes here, maybe.
Oh, that's a beautiful floor.
The old piano here. Yeah, flag and everything.
Take a look at this picture here. It's part of the history of this house.
There we go, right there. Back out in the courtyard here. Another room here.
Very nice.
A little dining room table over there. Little fireplace there. More kitchen stuff in there, I guess. Which we go in that room next, probably.
Maybe you can see the ice box that is inside the kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
Another room here. Ice box over there. Yeah.
This picture you may know or you recognize one of these guys there.
Is that,
Take a look.
it's not Stalin.
Yeah, Blackjack. And the other one on the right, behind Blackjack.
Is
Patton.
Patton? Oh,
Yeah.
young Patton up there.
Big
Okay.
man. Over here to the left, coming into the left, you can see these pictures.
Oh, now we're upstairs here. There's the orange tree. I don't know if those are good to eat or not. I'll have to ask them and see. Let's see what's up here. Oh, another entertaining room, another piano there. There's a view outside there. Kind of in an awkward place here. An old phonograph here we can't touch. Columbia. There we go. We got some chairs. A little French balcony there. Some broken sculpture. Another recorder up here. Come back outside. Little step here. And we're back out here. Roll top desk. I used to have one of those. And we got some memorabilia here. Oh, here we go. We got some good guns here. Sword. Another gun. Old jacket or something here. I don't know what that is. Something to slap somebody with or something there. I don't know. A super fancy saddle here. Somebody put a lot of work in that saddle. Typical Mexican saddle because they have the big horn on it, whereas U.S. saddles have a little one. So yeah, another roll top desk, a big one here. There's pictures up there, some official documents, another saddle. I'm sorry? No video.